on.
Say off, man. I think you got some in there. I think I get it. Ah, it's fucked up.
Hey, Ronnie! Look at the camera!
Oh, he's just waiting. Alright, it's time to fuck him out. She's sleeping now?
She's almost there. I think she is asleep. Madeline's turn. No, she's smiling.
Say off. Got the tongue suppressor. I don't think I want this motherfucker in my mouth. You know, quickly. Alcohol, you ass.
You gotta grind that better than that.
Yeah, man, you're gonna burn this up. You better come supervise it. Man, I don't know how to cook nothing, but you did a good job on steak, man. It tasted good. What you gotta do? You know, eat it, something.
Oh, that's the piece of puke that came off his pants. You're gonna do it. I can't do it. It's all over my floor.
No one's that shit. Fuck you, man. No one's that shit.
Say it again.
Ronnie sucks my cock.